Good morning students. Today we will be starting our PA2 syllabus from Let Us Try 6.3. Okay. So this exercise we will do it in the book only. So the first question that we have to do is the International Trade Fair will be organized for 13 days. Okay. So there is a fair that will be going on for 13 days. Now from 14 November it is starting. On which date will the trade fair end? So the starting date is 14 November and after 13 days it will end. We have to tell the date on which date it will end. Okay. So now let me show you the calendar for November to you. Okay. So as you can see here, 14 is on Saturday. 14 is on Saturday and we have to count like from 14 is the starting date of the fair. So we have to count this date also. So after 13 days it is ending. So we have to start counting like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here if we count till 13, so we are getting this 26. You can count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. If we counting from the 14, 1, then how many days are there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it is 26. So date is 26. 26 it will end. So what you will write? 26 November. Okay, we will not mention the year here. We will not mention the year here. We will only write the 26 November. Okay. So the date at which the fair will end, it will be 26 November 2020 you can write, or 2019 also. From here also you can do it. From 14 it is starting, so it is will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 26 November will be the answer. It doesn't matter in which year we are going. Okay, so because it is asking about the date. So now the next question is look at the calendar and answer the question. So we have been given these calendars and you have to answer the questions. On 16th October, Taranjeet's class teacher declared that a dance competition will be held after 17 days. Okay, so on 16th October, she is telling that after 17 days you will be having the dance competition. Find the date of the competition. So now you have to find the date of the competition. What will be the date of the competition here? Okay. So now what you will do is, so now we will start counting from 16 October. Okay, so 16 October is here. Here as you can see 16 October is mentioned here and we have to count till 17 days. Okay, because in 17 days we are having the competition. That a dance competition will be held after 17 days. Okay, so after 17 days. So let me start from 16 October. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22. Okay, sorry. So we have to count days, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it is 16. So after that we will be having 17. Okay, so after 17 days, okay, 17 days के बाद में, 17 days के बाद में, so 17 days के बाद में, so it can be your 2 November, right? So we have to count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. 17 days will be over on 1 November 2019. So we will say that it will take place on 2nd November 2019. Okay. So we will write here 2nd November, or you can write here November. Okay, if we are taking the this, so we will write like this, 2nd November 2019. Now calculate the number of days between last Friday of October. Last Friday of October is 25, right? 25 is the last Friday of October, and the last Friday of November. Last Friday of November is at 29. So he's saying that you have to count the number of days between the Friday and October numbers. Okay, so between numbers. Okay, so we will not count these two, we will count the in between. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34. 34 days will be there. So we will say 34 days are here. So we will say 34 days. Okay, so now this one is the Flag Day celebrated on 60 days after the Independence Air Force Day. Okay, so now he's saying that your Flag Day is celebrated on 60 days after the Independence Air Force Day, which is on 8th October. So your Air Force Day is on 8 October. 8 October. So this is 8 October. On which day is the Flag Day celebrated? On which day Flag Day is celebrated? So you have to count till 60 from 6. Okay, so from 8 you have to count till 60. So you can use this October calendar also, and you can use this November calendar also, and you can use this December calendar also. Okay, so this one I am giving you as homework. You can do it by yourself. Just start counting from 8 1 2 3 4 and 60 days. Okay, 60th day पे है तो 60th date वाली ही date आएगी यहाँ पे. Okay, so now Raj finished reading a book in 8 days. He reads the book from. So now he is asking that when he is reading the book, how many days are there? So it is completed in 8 days. You know that. So 10 to 17. So if we are calculating 10 to they are saying include the days. We have to tell which one is correct. So if we say from 10 to 17, so we have to count from 10 to 17. So both the days we have to count. Okay, so now if we count from 10 to 17, let us count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many days are coming? 6 and 7 and 8 days. So let us write here 8 days. Which one is there? Then 18 to 25, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's also 8 days. He reads the book from. Raj finished reading a book in 8 days. He reads the book from. You have to include the days he started and finishing reading. So now after that, 20th 8 to 28 9. So now if we count this thing, 20 to 28. Okay, so here 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So these are 10 days. So it cannot be possible. Then 10 to 18. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is also 9 days. So it is not possible. Let us check this one again. 10 to 17. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days are there. So this one is correct. Let us check this one also. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So this one is also correct. So both are having 8 days. So we can write this one 10 to 17. 10. Okay, sorry, here one mistake is there. Here the month is given 1 and here the month is given 2. So obviously it will be having more than this 8 days. So here as you can see the months are same. So this one is the answer. 18 8 is the answer. 18 8 19 2 25 8 19. If you count this number 10 1 to 17 to 19, so it will not be 8 days. We will see it from here. Here we are having calendar. So he is saying 10 1 to 17 2. As you can see here 10 1. Okay, so 10 1 means January. So here is 10 and he is saying till 17 2. As you can see, if we start counting this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So it is almost 39 days. So it is 39 days. So which one is 8 days? We have got the answer from this one. So this one is the answer. Okay. So student, I hope that you have understood the exercise. Okay. Bye bye students. Please, you have to do this work in your book only.